Hello everyone, welcome back to IP1. Today we are talking about paint. Okay, I hope you are ready to learn. Okay, so let's get started. I hope you are safe, staying home, and ready to learn. All right, so let's get into it. The word to learn and remember for today is mouse. Solar system, sun, mouse. What's the mouse? The mouse, as you remember, I hope that you remember, is to point and click. Solar system. What is the solar system? The solar system is our stars, the sun, and many more planets. What's the sun? The sun is a star and it's at the center of the solar system. Let's review about mouse. All right, so the mouse is to point and to click. It has two buttons and a small scroller in the middle. Let's review paint. Paint is used for common tasks. So the quick access toolbar is right on the top and gives you some information. Next, we have title bar, which shows you the name of the drawing. Next, we have the paint button, which shows different options to work in paint. We have the tabs, which are different tools for you to use and grouped in two tabs, Home and View. Tools to help you more are the tool area, the ribbon. The ribbon keeps all your tools and tabs. This is the ribbon. Can you say ribbon with me? Ribbon. Next, we have space for drawing and coloring. This is called the drawing area. The drawing area. Now, let's open Paint together and practice and review how to use shapes and colors and basic tools in Paint. Let's practice shapes, colors, basic tools, and curves. Okay, before I tell you the homework, let's open Paint. Here is Paint. All right, so remember, this is Paint, right? We have Paint open here. Let's take a look at the home area. All right, so first we have paste, which we can paste a picture that we copy from before. We have options to select, to rotate picture, to 90 degree, 180 degree, or crop the picture. We have the tool area, we have pencil, we can draw some mountain, we can draw some sea, We can draw some trees. Okay. We can draw anything, or we can color. What you can also do is come here to select, click select all, and again go back. You go back here, select all, click it again, and then press delete, and it cleans out your whole page. All right. We have our brushes that we can use to color or to um, use to complete the picture. We have our shapes, which is my favorite part. We can draw anything we like. We can try to use it. We have the curve. This is the curve. We can draw a line, and then you can make it curve out of it, right? And then we can draw another curve. Right? And we can use the line also to finish it, right? Maybe we can put some eyes, add some eyes to the picture. We can use the bucket here and choose a color. Maybe we can choose blue color and color the eyes. We can color the skin to red. We can have a yellow mouth. Now let's zoom out a bit. We zoom out from down here on the right. Okay, we can zoom out so we can see the whole picture. We can add more to the body. Right. Oh, before we do that, we can change back to black color for the body, and then just simply add more. We just add more. Let's zoom out a bit more so we can see the body. And basically just we continue to below. All right. And let's get to the front part using the same thing, using the curve. We can put it down here. Okay. Let's make it a bit fat. We can draw some feet. All right. You can continue to add the shape as you like it. All right. I'm just drawing any random picture just to show you how to use the shape. All right. Oops. I changed the color by accident. So this is how you can use the curve command. And we can go back to color bucket, choose the red color. Oh, so you see when this happens, it means there is an open area. So you see here is open. So what you gotta do is come back down here and try to close it. Once you try to close it, you can go back to your bucket and try to color it, you see? And what we have still here, we have some opening. I'm going to close that as well. And now it should work. And yep, it's working. All right. So we have a picture now using curves and our shapes. Okay. Now let's talk more about other things. All right. So we go back here, select all, and we can delete this shape. Next, let's take a look at the other commands and let's review it. So we have different shapes here, right? We have different colors. You can choose any color you like. You can even add more colors here by dragging around in here. You can choose and click OK and choose bucket, color the page. Come here, you see the A, it's the text, you click it, you choose a color, you can write something. All right, what else? You can play with that. You can select it, move it. Okay, don't forget when you select something, you can come down, click okay, again in the transparent selection, and then when you select and you move it, it should just be selecting the thing you chose. Okay, for example, let's draw this and color it with brown. And if I come here and select it, it should actually just move that, but I'm not sure why it's not working at the moment. All right, maybe I think I know what's the problem. Sorry. Okay, so what you gotta do is select all. It doesn't work when it has color behind. I'm thinking that's the problem. So when you have this and you have the color inside, all right, and you have some square here, all right. And now if I color the square, it should have no problem. And let's draw this and have another color. All right. One more time. All right. Then you select the color, put it inside, and just submit. Okay. So the problem is the background should be white only. So if your background is white, it will work. If not, it will not work. Okay, so one more time. We have these two shapes, and if I click this and this is off, we select it, it goes with the white background, okay? But if we go back and click transparent selection, it won't take it. All right, that's what I mean. Okay. Okay. Next, what we have is our homework. I will explain more about it on our homework. So what your homework is is basically color on MS Paint and complete the picture on Paint. Try to complete at least 3 pictures, color and complete, okay? So I give you some pictures, you can color and complete the picture as you like. You can try to be creative. Think about it. How do you like it? Do you want it big, small, black, white, uh, pink, red, all right? Any color you like. And the due date is Thursday, 12th of August, all right? Please do not be late, all right? Try to send it on time. Till now, I checked all your work. Most students have sent already, some students still missing. So if you have not sent yet, please do. And please note, from now, if anyone sends too late over 1 week, I will mark you as late. So please do not send late. Try your best to finish on time. It's important. And one more note, I think maybe some students don't have a computer or some students don't have the Paint program. So if you do not have some programs, maybe Paint or Word or anything, try your best to find a way to do the homework. Maybe use other program that you know how to use. I don't mind. Just try your best to do the homework. Okay. So if you do not have a Paint program on your computer, maybe you use Macintosh, like Apple products, maybe you can use Word or any program similar to Paint. So try your best, or you can use application on your phone, okay? If you do not have Paint program. But if you do have Paint, please do only with Paint. Okay. So the homework, I'm giving you some pictures. You can choose at least, minimum 3 pictures, not less than 3. You have to choose 3 pictures, all right? You choose 3 pictures. After choosing 3, you color and you complete. These are the pictures. You can choose any of them that you like, all right? So you can complete and draw by using Paint. If you do not have Paint, you try to find a similar picture, a similar program. Okay, so I hope you still remember how to use and import a picture. So you just select from your desktop. Okay, let me save the picture first. Okay. So here we have our picture, right? This is our picture. All you need to do is click using your mouse, click on it, right click, and drag inside. Sorry, left click and drag inside. Once you drag inside your Paint program, you can come here and make it bigger. You can resize. All right, I'm going to make it 300 maybe. All right, seems okay. Now, using this, you can zoom in and zoom out. Now, we can try to complete the picture, right? Like this. All right, you can do it as you like. You can use curves, you can use shapes, anything. You can think however you like it. This is how I will do. Okay, then I just bring it down. Make it down, make it bigger, maybe even try turning it a bit. Try to play with it, right? See how you can fit it, all right? Or what else you can do is, which might be easier, is like make a curve just like this, right? And the next one would come here. Okay, so how you do this, you use your mouse, you draw with your mouse, all right? You draw with your mouse, you hold this one and you move it, and then you can curve the lines, all right? And then you can have some person inside maybe, okay? You can have someone inside. Try to draw as you see fit, okay? And then one more. Okay, and what else? We can start coloring using the bucket. Oh, before we color, he maybe needs some eyes, right? For sure. And put some more. Okay, now let's try to color him. All right, here we go. And you see, when you have this, you have two options. When you have like a white part like that, what you can do is either use your brush to fix it. Use your brush to fix it. You can choose your brush, any brush you like. Try to practice using the brush and just fixing it like this. Okay, you can use this. And then we can continue. Go back to the color bucket, have some eye, and then color the armor. Okay. So when you have problems like this, you can use your brush to try to fix it, okay? Just like this. Try your best to, now my hand is shaking a bit, so you have to have a very steady hand to be able to color inside. Okay, so I want you to practice using the brush also, you see? You can use your brush to color inside. Another option that you can do to solve this problem is to go around it and do the outline of it, which is a bit hard maybe, but if you do, it will solve a bit of your problems. So using this could solve your problems, yeah? So you have to go all around the outline, which is a bit hard, but I think if you can do it just like that, all right, and then just continue on the same line, right? Let me just do it real quick for you. All right. Okay. I'm just doing it very quick just to show it to you, right? But you have to have patience to do this. And what you have to do is go back to color and see if you have closed all the sides, which I'm guessing I haven't. That's why it's not coloring. All right. So what you gotta do is exactly what I told you. So basically you can draw here also. Just draw approximately as you wish. And once you draw the bottom part, you can come back and color it, right? All right. But personally, I think you can just use the brush to just fix the edges for a bit, just like this. Might be a bit faster and easier for you to do. Just fixing it very slowly and patiently uh, as you like to color. All right. And you can draw the hands. How do you like the hands? You can draw square, a square for hands. All right. But you can draw anyhow you like. All right. So that's your homework. Okay. And that's all for today. If you have, so just try your best doing this. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Stay safe and try to do your homework. And I will put all the pictures for you to choose. That's all. Thank you, everyone. Have a lovely day and bye bye.